Hey, what's going on, you guys? So in today's video, I will show you how to be a UGC creator in Roblox. Now, this is going to be quick and easy, so let's start. Okay, so first you need to open up a web browser and search for updates and changes to the UGC catalog application. Now click on the first link here and it is going to take you to this page. Now here, under updates and changes to the UGC catalog application, you can read through the changes and updates in here. So here we can see that it says UGC applications are now open permanently. So to be a UGC creator, you need to participate in a survey and apply for the program. Now, to apply for the program, you can go ahead and scroll down and click on the link here under Ready to Apply. So let's click on the link. Now in here, you can read through this application here, follow the prompt and fill in this form, and you should be good to go. Alright, so that would be all for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.